pain, like at some point, it'll cut.
Brush with death. Musician Nameless speaks out for the first time about life-threatening bleed. And in sports, Harambee Stars prepares for a do-or-die clash with Ethiopia for sport in AFCON. Once again, it's a pleasure to have you with us here on Weekend Prime. Now, let's start this bulletin with the fight against corruption, and former Cabinet Secretary Dr. Hassan Wario, former Principal Secretary Richard Ekai are among top sports officials being targeted by the DPP Nordin Haji for prosecution. Now, the DPP wants the duo, together with other former top officials, held responsible for alleged misappropriation and embezzlement of funds during the Rio Olympics. Nordin wants them to report to the DCI headquarters before Monday to record statements, as Patrick Amimo reports.
In a statement to newsrooms, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Nordin Haji, says the Director of Criminal Investigations, DCI, received a report in December 2016 from Kenyan athletes on alleged mismanagement of millions of shillings meant for the Team Kenya, which participated in the Rio Olympics.
No lunch, nothing, just sitting in the bus waiting for Soy to come, because nobody else knows anything except this one man. So that was the biggest problem that I faced, because if you ask anybody else, they say, I don't know. And if you tell them, go ask Soy, everybody is afraid of him.
Kusema sijui shika huyu, sijui shitaki yule. The first thing we must do is that Ali Wario must resign as Cabinet Secretary for Sports.
The DCI has received a nod from the DPP to charge 7 individuals in regard to their respective roles in the 2016 Rio debacle. Those on the DPP's radar are former Sports Cabinet Secretary Hassan Wario Arero, who was early this year redeployed to serve as ambassador to Austria. Others are former Sports PS Richard Ekai, former Director of Administration in the Ministry Harun Komen Chebet, Chief de Mission Stephen Kiptanui Arap Soy, former Finance Officer Patrick Kimanthi Kabu, former President of the National Olympics Committee of Hezekiah Kipchoge Keino, and former Secretary General of NOC Francis Kanyili. Nordin says, and I quote, "I'm satisfied that there is sufficient evidence to charge the above-named suspects for misappropriation of over 55 million shillings." End of quote. The 7 individuals will face 6 counts of abuse of office and 4 counts of willful failure to comply with the laws relating to the management of public funds. The 7 will be charged for embezzlement of 22.5 million shillings, purchase of air tickets worth 16.8 million shillings, which were not utilized, overpayment of allowances amounting to 15.9 million shillings, incurring expenditure